And in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you delete your Leonardo AI account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Leonardo AI account. And first of all, just simply log in your account into Leonardo AI. And after logging in your account, you will just simply have to tap into this more button from the bottom right corner. Just simply tap there, and after tapping in there, you will directly get this delete account button into the third row. Just simply tap to delete account, and after that tap to delete account again in order to confirm. Then you will get this dialog box where you will get this option of delete account in red color. Just simply tap to delete account, and once you do that, your account will permanently be removed or deleted into Leonardo AI. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.